I'm not gonna get tagged. I'm not gonna get tagged.
No! No! That car, I need your help.
Up there, woohoo. Alright, I'm coming.
I'll catch him. Move! No, no! Really?
Ah! I fell.
Oh, heck yeah.
I fell. Me too. I need to win. I haven't won a single game with the car. What the car say? No, little, I'm gonna record a YouTube video. Yeah. Star Jacket 9. Star Jacket 9.
Run! They didn't see me.
Star as a star, and a jacket as they zip up and
You'll never find me.
I will find you.
Ah!
Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Big bird better run.
I have a feeling that you're gonna fall. I just.
Oh my god.
Bro, you always fall after every round of being a truck. Oh no. Ayo, cat car. So what's your YouTube channel's name? Same thing.
It's Law the cat car?
I'm a subscribe. Nah. Go.
No! No, God, please, no! Wait, I respawned! I respawned!
Yeah, you can respawn when you're a truck. Yes!
Die! How much? After, I'm probably gonna get off and check out, your YouTube channel.
I wanna be a car. I'm a car. I am gonna win.
No! Sorry. Sorry, that was an accident. Alright, I'm going this way, you go the other way. No, seriously, no cap. No cap, I got stuck. I know how to catch him. Bro, I hit him. I freaking hit him.
You didn't hit me.
Bro, I hit him.
No, you didn't.
Frick, did I not hit him?
Come here, boy.
No! Bro, I'm so sorry.
You can't catch me. Like, you're never gonna catch me.
You want to bet that, boy?
Alright, nice. Alright. Hello, the cat.
You have to. It's your destiny. Oh, hey. Run.
Wait, wait, how much,
Good,
wait,
they
how
didn't
much
see me.
subscribers, how much subscribers do you have?
36.
It says here you got 37. Now you got 38. Now you got 38.
No! He's on my butt.
Alright, I'm start checking 9. I'll start checking 9. So if you see my YouTube channel say start checking 9, then follow. Or subscribe, yeah, subscribe. Sorry. Woo! So,
Dang it.
alright, you're dead. We got you. I got you. Oh.
I choked on my drink.
That's it. Oh. Hey, yo, what are you talking on? I'm coming for you.
You go swimming with the fishies.
Just whoop it with the fishies.
At least with the fishies. At least you're with Tico.
Bro, Tico.
Bro,
Yay!
What happened to
I'm
his
a
mic?
die. I'm a
I mean, at least you're Tico. Lol, cat car.
Yay!
I mean, at least you swam with Tico.
Bam! Kaboom! Wait, do you make did you make do you make Minecraft videos?
Please.
All right, I'm just making sure. I was just making sure that it's you.
I like Fortnite. Oh heck, I'm a car.
I make
He fucked up. It was at this moment that JT knew
Block him
he
off.
fucked up.
Nope, you.
Oh! Run! No!
No, help me.
But how did you do that?
I told you. I said you are. Smarty pants. Yeah.
How the frick did you do that?
Oh. I knew it. I knew you were gonna do something. Yo, block him off.
No, God!
No way. What is wrong with you?
I hate you!
Funny. No, not funny.
Bro, then go to the other way. Go to the other way. I suck
Go
at
to
this
the other
game.
way.
That was me.
You stay on that side. I stay on this side. I love staying on this side. Oh! Yes!
Hey, let's go!
Wait, can I make the landing? Can I make the landing? Yes, I make the landing.
I was determined to hit you. It was my destiny.
No, I'm gonna win some cars. Yes, I'm a car. I'm in my mom's car. I'm in my mom's car. No,
You're in your
I
mom's
got
car?
big boys. I got big boys tires. I got big boy tires.
I'm committed suicide! At was gonna jump in the water with my truck, but
Yeah, you sun god, and I'm global.
Okay. I just watched one of your videos. I was watching one of your videos.
It's a stupid fog round.
It's your first build. It was the first build on Battle Royale.
No!
I landed on top of you. Ah!
Dude, I looked
nothing
back and I was
random,
like,
nothing
oh my
random.
god, there's two trucks following me. And,
Nothing
and
random.
the one that was following me was gray, so I thought it, but I thought it was black, and I was like, oh,
I'm put it
God,
yellow. Alright, I just commented. Commented. Alright, I'm coming for you, boy. You not running. I'm coming for you. Bro, you just got juiced.
Taekwondo!
What are you doing? Yay! Bro, what's happening in the background? Suicide?
I don't know. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Alright. You never touched me. Oh, I tried to do something. I tried to make you go in the water. I tried to go in. I want to be a whiplash. No, me.
I want to be. Haha, very funny. Haha, very funny. And I want to be a jacked up truck when I get up. When I get up. I want a big white truck. He coming? Oh, he coming! I was like, is he coming? Oh, he coming!
That's why you should never make my turn.
And as soon as I saw a truck, I was like, oh, he's coming! And then it went boom! He coming? Boom!
No.
I died!
I know what turn he's gonna make.
Get him! And we won! Oh my god! We won, kids!
Bro, I've never won a car before. I never won the car.
An episode from Barney. Yay, kids, we won!
Kids, pull that shotgun. No, I won.
And they're like, you've never had the taste of revenge, haven't you? Of backstabbing, haven't you? No! No!
I'm gonna jump the bridge!
Get him!
Ah! Oh!
I committed suicide!
Yeah.
Friend me and join our party. Friend me.
Yeah. I'll be back.
Oh, he's already in our party? Oh! He come? Oh, he's come!
I'm back, and somebody's gonna die today.
Nope, they ain't. Bro, stop. My controller disconnected. Stop. No!
Good thing I play on PlayStation 5. My controller never dies. It's good lasting battery.
Oh, shut up.
Good lasting battery. You play on Xbox? You play on Xbox?
Nintendo.
Batteries.
Are you ready?
Bro, you might die. Look at you. You're already almost dead. Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna hit you a little. I wanted you to turn.
I'm going to win with the machine. Alright, go back to the lobby.